She gives out a scent as well.
I googled the characters like that I didn't know. So Spider-Woman and I googled.
I hope you didn't read too much.
Electro. No, so Spider-Woman. Basically, all I know is that she I just googled like the power aspect, not like the history.
She has venom blasts.
So like I read that like she has that like pheromone thing, and then she disguises it with I don't know, perfume or whatever.
Yeah.
But like in the thing, it's like basically like she's like, oh, the pheromones. Everyone's like, that's why I'm. Guys like.
I don't understand what.
Okay, because she just explains her power that she has like pheromones that makes everyone attracted to her, and that's how she takes down the bad guy. Everyone's getting like killed by this bad guy, and then she just walks up to him and starts talking to him.
His
and
power is 100 suns.
Yeah.
How is he gonna use that to bring
and
back
so
those
they're like,
oh
how
no,
the
he's
hell did you
like
talk him
Superman.
into, like,
He's just
not fighting
whatever
you?
power that
And
you
then
want
she
to have.
explains to the rest of her
He's
team,
really strong.
and everyone's
he
like,
can
oh,
fly.
that's why. And then Luke
So
Cage,
at the
and then
moment, they just
Spider-Man
wanna
is
get
like,
the most powerful
I'm married, but still, I was
They're
like,
not concentrating on who's been released.
We don't talk about
Not right. They kind of are.
Listen,
They
Spider-Man will
continue
always
to.
be loyal to Mary Jane.
Spider-Man,
and
yeah.
I'm like, jeez.
He's married right now.
He's
married to
married
Mary
right
Jane.
now to Mary Jane.
Because I think like they're kind of just going
Right now,
along
Mary Jane and
bumping
Aunt May
into
both know his
super-
identity
like
as
villains.
well.
Sorry, what?
They're kind of
I know
bumping
them.
into villains as they go
Yeah.
along.
I've seen.
They're gonna continue to.
That's good.
So what did you guys think of the issue of
That's the arc.
of
That was okay. Honestly, like
Sentry's interesting, but they don't really show how powerful he really is.
Yeah, they're going to though.
They go into it. Okay.
Actually, the show is pretty weak, to be honest.
What?
He's not really like demonstrated his.
Yeah, they don't show his powers yet for some reason, but they do in the future.
Who's Sentry?
Sentry, yeah.
Well, they show his power,
They show
but they don't
his
show him using his power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but they showed the power of his evil half, the Void,
Yeah.
trying to kill the Avengers.
Look at this.
So what did you think? I'll leave you to have the
I really
thing
liked
is
it.
a.
I think
It was good.
Do you like comic books? Is this the first time you've read comic books or what?
This is the first time I've read more than 6 comic books.
What comic book did you read before?
Pardon?
What comic books did you read before?
Everyone just looks over it.
I literally just got about 6 or 5 actually that my parents and my sister brought, and I read them.
What?
There was a Spider-Man on the front.
What Spider-Man? Like what happened in the Spider-Man?
I can't remember. It was such a long time
Oh.
ago.
If you have them,
I
can take them
I
off
still
your
have
hand.
them. Yeah. I'll bring them when I go back to the UK.
Yeah.
If you haven't got any more, you can have them as well.
I'll
Because
give
you can get them online now, so. there's
yes,
no
you
point in
can.
keeping
But like,
them.
there's a different thing about having it in paper. What did you think, Alfred, as a whole? What did you think of this story arc?
I want to see. Okay.
I thought it was interesting, maybe a bit rushed.
1 to 10. I'm talking about 1
Yeah,
to
some
10.
more
And,
popcorn.
Yeah. It's almost done, but there's another pack right there.
okay.
The thing is, I want to see them face the Sinister Six, but I can't
How,
remember if like
They're not gonna face
members
the
are.
Sinister Six.
No, but I can't remember if some of the members are locked
Sinister
up still.
Six, like, who's in the Sinister Six?
Well.
There's
in the
barely
movie-
a Sinister. There's no
There's
Sinister Six at this
right
time.
now, yeah.
Wait, but who's like the people?
The
The
people-
roster always
usually-
changes.
Usually, Doc Ock and Green Goblin are always like.
Green Goblin isn't really ahead of. He's only done it once, and he had the Sinister 12, not the Sinister 6.
He had a Sinister 12. But in the Ultimate.
Hobgoblin
universe,
was-
Yeah,
the
look at this.
Hobgoblin was in
She
it.
walks
So-
up to
Vulture-
him, guys, like,
Vulture,
they're in
yeah.
it.
Sometimes
He's like-
Rhino cons, sometimes.
Rhino
He's yellow to everyone else.
So Sinister 6 normally the OG
Scorpion.
lineup is
Scorpion.
okay, wait, let me
Doc
think.
Ock.
Mysterio, Kraven the Hunter, Doctor Octopus, Sandman,
Oh, Chameleon
Sandman.
was the other one.
Chameleon wasn't on it. Scorpion, I think.
Yeah, Scorpion was in it. I know that much.
And one
Like,
more.
look at this. Wolverine jumps at the guy.
Was it Chameleon? Or was
No,
it
no, no,
Raven?
face
Raven.
with the
No, not
cobra.
Craven. No, not
Says,
Craven.
"Oh, man, when
Vulture.
Wolverine grows
Vulture,
his
yeah,
face
right.
back,
So
Vulture.
that
I'm
was
really
just
pretty
and no,
upset.
no, sorry.
I'm like,
No Scorpion, it was Electro.
It was Electro. Yeah.
No Scorpion.
Jesus.
That was
So
the original.
so the Sinister Six is Doctor Octopus, Vulture, Electro, Kraven the Hunter, Mysterio, and I fucking forgot.
Vulture.
Vulture. I already said Vulture.
Yeah, so, okay. Well.
Boys, you swear too much, man.
Yeah, well.
Oh, who cares? Okay, what the team?
Wait, so what did you think of the?
I thought it was pretty good. It picks up. It's kind of
Yeah.
slow. It's okay right now, but Bendis the writer who's writing this is writing like 10 things right now.
How
I'm gonna
often do
go
these
so
issues come? Like typically, what issue come out?
Issues come out every week,
Like,
but
If they remember
normally,
to-
like let's say New Avengers
but
would
if they
come out.
forget,
New
then-
Avengers is done
Oh,
right now. So let's say
okay,
Amazing Spider-Man comes out every other week.
You
Yeah.
kind of
And,
go.
Let's say
Well, see,
and
like, I don't mind
another series
going.
No, I
like
understand that, but you have better options.
Yeah.
Modern Warfare 3.
like
I
Hulk
understand.
is once a month.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
We'll
So
see,
it
we'll
depends.
see.
It depends on what it is. Like X-Men is once a month, but Spider-Man is twice a month. So once
Like,
a
is it one person
it's
writing
fine.
it, or is
It's
it?
one person writing it, yeah, but yeah. But
Wait,
there's filling artists
The
sometimes.
wait, yo, 616 Spider-Man is bi-weekly.
That's a lot.
The Amazing
Bi-weekly,
Spider-Man
yeah,
is
yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
It was weekly for a time, actually.
Do you think I should skip straight to issue 500 and start reading from there?
I'll let you know after.
Okay, tell me.
Are you talking about Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you guys a
It wasn't
question.
here. It was in the previous.
He was in the previous
Yeah,
one.
off us.
What's his name?
Yo.
Dr. X.
Dr. X.
So do you guys want to
Or
go
Professor.
forward in the future, or do you want to find out how did the Avengers get broken up in the first place?
I feel like that would have been.
Oh, I read Disassembled,
Yeah.
didn't I? Oh, true.
You want to do disassembled?
Is that where's that meant to be? Is that meant to be
No,
after this or before this?
No, before.
But there's a reason I'm doing it after.
Yeah.
Like the reason is part of why we're doing
New
after. Like,
Avengers.
Yeah, the reason
After.
is why. But I'm not gonna tell you why.
This is good.
I'm not gonna tell you why. No.
Like,
I'll tell Alikan later. But like,
yeah, sure.
You'll see.
you'll see why. Because,
Plus, we're also gonna we have this entire thing planned out for the rest of the semester.
yeah, for the rest of the
We'll
semester,
see.
the entire. No, dude, for the rest of the next 2 years, I have it planned out. So don't worry about it.
Yeah, all you mean to say, you can't go back to UK, bro.
You can't.
Yo, I'm gonna send you the
Like,
link.
like this song?
You have to FaceTime now. Every well,
You know, it's like 5 hours.
UK, yeah.
It'll be.
Yo, I'm gonna miss this
midnight.
guy, bro. I actually want him to
It'll
leave.
be midnight down there right now, but I'll try.
Ali, you just,
Yo,
you just move here.
Yeah.
No.
So next we'll do Avengers Disassembled then because you demanded it. So it takes place.
No, let's do Civil War. Let's do Civil War.
We're not gonna go straight to Civil War. Shut the hell up. Civil War's a
He's
lead
gonna
up.
tell you, man. He's
Yeah,
gonna
so
tell you
what's
what's
the
gonna
lead
happen.
up?
So we're gonna go back in
I already
time.
read Civil War.
We're gonna go back in time. You've read Avengers. We're gonna go back in time. So this takes place 6 months before New Avengers. It's Avengers Disassembled. And in case you think, oh, Waze doesn't know why are we going back in time? Why are we doing a flashback? You'll find
Waze
out.
doesn't know.
True believer.
No, bro, we know you know.
Yeah.
That's the
okay.
one thing you know.
We know you know.
And then after that, we'll do House of M. And then after that,
What's House of M?
you'll find out. And then after House of M, we'll continue with New Avengers
Wait, tell me after?
up until Civil War.
Shouldn't we read House of M then Disassemble?
No, no,
wait,
Disassemble
it's
happens.
gonna be-
Disassemble is a
no, no,
flashback. House of M happens right
Wait,
after.
have you read
New
House of
Avengers.
M?
I haven't.
You haven't?
You haven't?
What do
I
you
have.
think?
I have.
What does House of M have to do with? Or
I'm
does
not
that
gonna tell
spoil
you.
it?
You're gonna find out.
Does that spoil it?
It is a spoiler. So read Avengers Disassembled issue 1 to 5 for next week. We'll talk about it, and then after that, House of M, which is gonna be our first event.
Okay.
And when there's an event, that means there's gonna be something a specialty. Like there's gonna be something cool when there's an event. Like there's gonna be a theme to the meeting.
Like this?
No, kind of.
This is Halloween.
Let me think.
Oh yeah,
because
where
I
did
don't
you
have
get
a
costume from?
Wish.
What?
Wish.
You know
Oh,
that adds
oh,
that,
Vish.
but the shit
Like,
adds
you
that
know
all
Vish?
over.
Wish, yeah.
Wish.com.
Oh!
Not Vishnu.
No!
I prayed for it and it
I thought you were talking about Adam's like,
Who lives
housemate.
close to the university, like really close to the university?
Oh, me for sure.
How far do you live, Ali?
I live like
On res.
just near the drug mart.
Oh.
Do you mind if we come to your house next week for society?
Huh?
What?
Like 2 weeks after?
Wait,
Because
why?
House of M, we have to do it in someone's house.
Oh, you guys
You can do it
might
in my
be able
house
to do-
too.
Okay.
Wait, I thought you lived in res.
He's
So-
Bro, a process of car, you can come to our place.
So are you down to do it in 2 weeks? Come to my
You
house
just
for
take everyone to whoever's
In
place.
2
By the
weeks.
way, so in 2 weeks, you'll smell the wrath of Always, bro. Because
Are you-
it smells like
Are
India.
you down to come to my room in 2 weeks for
why did-
House of?
Dude,
Can you
you're moving too quick.
Are you down to go to my house in 2 weeks for House of X, or do you want to just do like I'll think of a different thing?
Wait, why don't we just come?
You guys can come over to
Why
our
don't you
place.
sleep here for one day and then this is your house?
No, because it's House of X, so it has to be house related. I don't know.
I
No,
thought
I'll
you
think
said
of
House
something.
of
I'll
M.
think of something.
What if we like draw like a like a
Who's
cardboard
this?
house over there and then we'll just sit.
I'll think of something. Since it's an event, I'll think of something to make it special.
Man, I'm starving, guys.
But okay, so
Oh,
next
do you
week.
want to get McDonald's?
Want to get McDonald's?
I've got free delivery on Uber
Ooh,
Eats.
okay. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so next week.
I'm down.
Next week
But
we're
I have
gonna
food
find
at home,
out.
but I'm
Okay.
leaving Friday.
Next week we're gonna find out
I have
how
to
the
finish
Avengers broke up in the first
That's the
place.
place he's staying here.
So, Avengers Disassembled issue 1 to 5. You guys all liked it, right? You're having fun so far?
Yeah, I'm having
I'm
fun.
gonna go home first, eat, and then I'll meet you after.
Yeah.
Are you having fun so far, Alimita?
Are you going to the barbecue?
Where you go?
No, I have to stop.
Afrez, are you having fun so far?
Yeah, like.
You like it? What's
I don't
having
know.
fun?
It's
Loving it.
this could be better. If like more
Yo,
was
just
running
order
these.
Oh, it's
the
what?
McDonald's.
Is it done
and-
recording?
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
like-
Oh, we're only 23
Yeah.
minutes in.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it?
That's
That's
true.
it.
Yeah, it's only been 23 minutes, guys. Let's
Otherwise,
like,
we can go
let's
to
get
your
7
place,
more
play
minutes.
Catan there. I'm down with that too. And that's closer to Murtaza's place
We
too.
could play Catan at our place. It's just that
Why we-
downstairs kind of stinks. What do you
Okay.
think?
Wait,
down to
let's
come
just
to your
finish.
place.
Let's just finish this meeting. We have 7 more minutes, so
We are not. We don't have a mandatory like end time.
it's gotta be 30 minutes, bro.
It has to be 30 minutes.
It's a standard
Wait,
podcast
what?
length.
Yeah.
So
Should
like
we
we have
just
7
end
more
it?
minutes and yes, end it.
Are you guys down to dismiss?
Wait,
Yes.
hold on.
Disassemble.
Wait, who's
Wait,
playing
no,
Catan?
we're still, we're still.
Good times. Who's playing Catan?
Yo, play this time. The last time sucked. It was not like.
I can
actually much better. You
tag
can make
along, but I'm not gonna actually like play.
Come on.
I'm not gonna play. I have to do long cap. I'll watch you guys.
Yo, guys, that's not enough people then.
Yo, you.
It's 4 people.
I came.
I'll play, fine. But I'll do long cap with 2.
Okay, fine.
I'll play, but I'm gonna play Modern Warfare as well.
The
Wait, I
fuck?
want to do that as well.
Okay.
Yo, just like play one
I
game.
have to download it as well.
Play one
It's
game.
gonna take like an hour, so.
No, it doesn't take an hour. Downloading takes like a day.
2 hours. Okay, better. Even better. This is
The
not
way
possible.
he said it,
Wait,
bro, I
so
can see his
you've been-
face.
has
He
he been
goes, it's not
downloading
gonna take an hour. It's gonna take a day.
Yo, don't worry. Not an hour.
Like, I honestly thought he was gonna say 5 minutes.
I know,
But he
I
said-
thought
I was gonna say 5 minutes as well.
But then
Okay, so we can. Yo,
Is this been on like on your background?
Yeah, pretty much. Yo, I came to Tho just to like abuse their Wi-Fi. 'Cause
Okay,
I
so
know it's my
this
Yo,
is
I came
society
from home.
signing off. Let's sign off, guys. Let's sign
Home
off.
is
Sign
like-
off.
okay.
Alright, guys.
Let's
sign off.
salute to the fucking.
Let's.
I am-
Okay.
take off his mask.
Okay.
Adios.
Wait.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh no, you gotta fucking do this.
Oh yeah, who is this?
I'm gonna have to
mystery
unlist
man?
this video.
Wait, cut it right before we take the mask off. It's suspenseful.